Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my gorgeous swap that I received from Brigitta. I will be opening up the box, which is a huge box where you can see this beautiful note that's on the top. And I will be opening it today and just taking out all the goodies and the things that she put in. And afterwards you will be seeing the beautiful individual pieces that she created for me as a part of a few days. I believe it's going to be maybe like up to at least 12 days, because we created 12 days of a Christmas swap, so at least 12 days. And for more exceptions, I will be sharing those with you on my Instagram, Facebook, and of course here on the YouTube. So I will go ahead and open up the box and I'll come back to you. See you soon. So here's a peek of the box as it's open, and I see a lot of beautiful goodies and also a lot of my favorite colors. So I cannot wait to take them all out and share with you one by one what's in this box. As I said, I'm going to take them all out, and then I will be opening on the 1st of December. I will be opening the first one, going on to up to the 12th of December, and of course the extra goodies, I will be sharing them as well with you on my Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. So let's get started. So I'm back. Here are the goodies. I'll be sharing with you how the package looks and the elements that are in the package. And I just love this element here. Beautiful layering. It says number 4, so this is going to be for the 4th day. Putting this one, I just love the sound of the bells there. Oh, super cute card, or I believe this is sort of a banner. Beautiful elements there. I will show you a close-up as well. We'll share some photos, of course, with you as well. And I see that she did some beautiful layering, but that detailed pictures and all those things, elements, will be on the 25th of December. And I thank you so much. Yes, I will love them all, Brigitta. So thank you so much. And I see this has the day 2 on that. And let me see what's more. A large sort of scale. I believe this is the number. I hope this is the number 1. I think so. And it's a sort of a basket, and I cannot wait. This is so exciting. So that's for that. And then there's of course more items here. The number 6 looks like this. Beautiful tag as well. Loving the tool, and I see something very cute inside already peeping in. And this is the number 10. And did you use the Simple Stories collection for this one? I think so. I'm not sure, but you should, if you can, please comment on this video and tell me if that's correct. So that's number 10. This is number 11. Another beautiful, layered out with beautiful doilies there. Loving all these layered elements. And this is number 8. A beautiful bag. And I just love this theme. Beautiful theme. So, and this is the back. So, push this a little bit to the side again. This is number 9. Super cute, loving this one as well. Beautiful, Brigitta. Already in love with all the packages. And this is the last one. So this is going to be opened on the 12th of December. And I see a cute shaker here. This looks familiar. Thank you so much for sending me one of those. I'm one of the lucky ones to have received one of your shakers as well. Thank you so much for this one. So that's going to be opened up on the 12th. Oh, this super cute. Then I see also one. So I believe this is one, and the other one is number 7. So I'll be checking it out in with you as well before I open it. And this is the last one that's in the box, which has the number 3 on top of there. And in the box she put some beautiful elements as well, like these beautiful balls and then some snowflakes. I just love them. Thank you so much, Brigitta. So as I said, I'm so excited to be opening these packages with you one by one on each day. So starting up on the 1st of December. So stay tuned for those videos, and then I will go into details to all of the elements that she created. And of course I will be sharing photos and all of those packages in this video as well. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.